So the burnout, Summit Lane. And the car sounding healthy. In the latest issue, the November issue of High Performance Pontiac, they tout the Dirty Bird as the quickest and fastest Pontiac. That is Rob Bruce driving the Dirty Bird, and we will see what this 2000 Pontiac Firebird has in store. This car is sponsored by all Pontiac, and Rob Bruce, there's a name that may be familiar to many of you from his days racing the Zombie. So here we go. And that car stayed stuck way out of the groove in that Summit Lane. I mean, way out of the groove. You could tell that Rob Bruce, an old funny car driver, because he didn't care where he was. Qualifier, Rob Bruce. So Bruce, your number one qualifier. Bill Hamilton, number two qualifier. Pontiac heads up, get ready to go. You will follow qualifying and Firehawks through the lanes on the Summit side. Now, your next pair, Kevin Sweeney in the Summit lane. Sweeney will pull up alongside Todd Filson in the Budweiser lane. Remember, the Kaufman Racing Equipment Quick 16, it is the 8th quickest open body and the 8th quickest full body. And apparently, this is going to be a single for Kevin Sweeney. For Sweeney, 7:26, 180 spot. That'll bump Hamilton to number 3. So Rob Bruce, your number one qualifier. Todd Filson, number 2. And Bill Hamilton, number 3 qualifier. Here is Todd Filson. So again, number 1, Rob Bruce. Number 2, Kevin Sweeney. Number 3 is Bill Hamilton. Todd Filson from Fairborn, Ohio. That is a Spitzer dragster. He's going to try to... And the dragster, he's got a pretty good lap going. 7:58. 176 miles an hour. That'll put Filson in the number 3 spot.